Hi, I'm Eliza. I'm in the Associates of Science with Culinary degree. This is a demonstration for a pumpkin pie. I'm doing the pie dough demonstration. You mix the flour and the baking powder with your butter, cut up the butter into chunks and then kind of fold it in, kind of breaking up the butter into the flour. And then you add in your liquid ingredients and mix it until you get a dough of about this consistency. Can be chilled for just a couple hours. I chilled mine overnight. Flour your surface, then lightly flour your dough. And then I also flour my rolling pin because I don't want my rolling pin sticking to my dough. So the dough for the basic pie has to be about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch thick for the pie. Make sure you turn it when you roll it so it's not just going one direction. And then when you get your pie dough to the desired thickness, grab your tin, and then little trick so your pie dough doesn't break, rolling it onto the rolling pin. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna score the edge of your dough and cut the extra off. Flour I choose a fork for mine. Score it all the way around. You're gonna have to reflour the fork if you do this method pretty often. And then I use my paring knife and cut an angle against the edge of the pie pan. Because when you bake the dough, the crust shrinks a little bit on the edges. So kind of cutting it at an angle where it's a little bit longer helps it so that when it shrinks, your dough stays on the rim of your pie pan. And final product looks something like that for the filling.
My name is Araceli and I am in Culinary Arts, and I will be do the pumpkin filling for the pie. First, we're gonna do the eggs. I'm doing 2 portions, so I need 6 eggs in total. I will incorporate the pumpkin. We will whisk until it is blended, and we will slowly add 12 ounces of sugar. And we just want to make sure everything is well blended and slowly add in the sugar until it is smooth enough. And the egg should work to make the filling stick together. Pretty much our eggs is our glue. Once everything is all blended, I will add the spices, which contains nutmeg, clove, ginger, and cinnamon. And we will add a little bit of salt. This will help balance out the flavors. And then we can slowly add our evaporated milk. This will be 24 ounces. And pretty much this will just be whisking. And just a lot of whisking. Once everything is incorporated and blended, we let this rest 15 to 20 minutes. That way the starch from the pumpkin can work and get all that moist. That way our pie dough does not get soggy. And that would be it. And this is the pumpkin filling.